Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make custard powder. To begin, you will need a few simple ingredients. Start with 1 cup of cornstarch, which is the primary thickening agent. Add 1/2 cup of powdered sugar for sweetness and a smooth texture. A small pinch of salt, about 1/4 teaspoon, helps to balance the flavors beautifully. Finally, have your vanilla flavoring and yellow food coloring ready to enhance the powder's appeal. Now let's combine our dry ingredients. Take your 1 cup of cornstarch, 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Place them all into a large, clean mixing bowl. It is very important to sift these ingredients together at least 2 or 3 times. This step ensures that your custard powder is completely lump-free and has a wonderfully fine, uniform texture, which is key for a silky smooth custard later on. Next, we will add the signature flavor and color to your custard powder. For that classic taste, mix in about 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder. If you prefer, a few drops of vanilla extract can also be used, ensuring it's thoroughly blended. To give your custard powder its familiar golden appearance, add 2 to 3 drops of yellow food coloring. Mix everything very well until the color is evenly distributed throughout the powder, creating a vibrant and appealing mix. Once your custard powder is perfectly mixed and colored, it is time for proper storage. Carefully transfer the entire batch into an airtight container. A glass jar with a tight-fitting lid works wonderfully. Store this container in a cool, dry pantry, away from any direct sunlight or humidity. When stored correctly, your freshly made custard powder will maintain its quality and flavor for up to 3 to 4 months, ready for your next delicious dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.